stop is Prospect Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is Jackson Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. This is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. Transfer is available to the 2 train.
Transfer to the BX41 Select Bus Service.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is 149th Street, Grand Concourse. This is 149th Street, Grand Concourse. Transfer is available to the 2 and 4 trains. This is a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is 138th Street, Grand Concourse. This is 138th Street, Grand Concourse. This is a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is 125th Street. This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 4 and 6 trains.
Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport.
Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Brooklyn-bound 5 express train. The next stop is 86th Street. This is 86th Street. Transfer is available to the 6 train.
Transfer to the M86 Select Bus Service.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 5 express train. The next stop is 59th Street. This is 59th Street.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the 6, N, R, and W trains. A free transfer is available to the F and Q trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 5 express train. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is Grand Central.